Drawing their power from an obscure Solson/B lunar religion, these practitioners of magic seek to control certain vital regions of Earth. Tehk Druid talents astound many young men who join cults with expectations of great power, staunch enemies of necromancers everywhere. Skills. Consecrated water is useful in aqua weapons such as water blazers, inflicting twice as much damage against demons and undead creatures. Basic consecration for water are learned at 2nd rank. It costs 1 magic point per liter. It remains consecrated for 1 bi-lunar month after the ceremony. Drinking a flask 1L will return D4 health points to a wounded character. Consecrated salt is used as a last-ditch barrier against demons and undead. These creatures may not cross a line of it lest they burst into holy flames, 3d9 PAF per round. To abase a 1 kilogram line of salt, an opponent must cast an anti-magical spell, dispel magic, breach witchcraft, terminate enchantment, etc. with more magic points than the Tehk Druid's rank at the time of the blessing of the salt. 1 kilogram of salt costs D6 magic points, takes 3 hours, and counts as 1 encumbrance item. A 1 kilogram bag of salt will make a line 10 m long or a circle 3 m in diameter with sufficient thickness. It takes 1 round to lay 1 kilogram of consecrated salt. This type of salt can also be used in sandblasters, causing targets to burst into flames when against undead and demons. If hit by a sandblaster and the burst of salt hits, but does not penetrate the armor that the undead or demon was wearing, the foul creature still has a 10% chance of catching on fire in the following round from having to cross the deflected salt. Consecrated salt remains holy for 3 months after being imbued with power. This skill is mastered at 3rd rank. Weapon. In a 1-hour ceremony, the blade is cleansed of all spiritual impurity, making its first few strikes, drank against demon flesh or undead bone, inflict twice its usual damage. It costs 2 magic points and lasts all day, or until the weapon is befouled by the flesh or armor of a demon or undead. Consecration of weapons is learned at 4th rank. Armor. In a ritual that lasts just over 2 hours, Tehk Druids of 5th rank or higher can consecrate their armor. This effectively doubles its AF against evil until the first blow shot, directed at him by a demon or undead creature, draws blood. After the first blow from such an enemy that is successful, the armor resumes its standard AF. It costs 3 magic points to conduct the necessary ceremony, and the effect lasts for D3 days. Silver projectiles. A Tehk Druid can consecrate ammunition individually if it is made of silver. The blessing is only active for 1 day after being performed. It takes D20 minutes for the ceremony. Each projectile costs 2 magic points to energize, after which it will score double damage against demons and the undead. Silver ammunition may be reconsecrated if not used within the day. Rituals dealing with silver are learned at 6th rank.